room tour of my room. So I really want to show you my room, but I don't want you guys to think that I'm bragging or showing off in any way, shape, or form. I'm really grateful for my room. But without further ado, let's just get right into the room tour. So the first thing I'm showing you guys is just the overview of my room. I'm not showing you guys an overview of the bathroom or the closet because the room is the main focal point. So the first thing I'm showing you guys is the doorway, and in my doorway I just have this purple flower that you can hang on the wall that was from my grandma, and this donut pillow which is from Urban Kid. Moving along, I have my closet, and my closet is a walk-in closet, and my closet just doesn't have my clothes, it has some of my sister's clothes as well. And on the door, I have a hanger where I can put in my purses and my outfits for the next day for school.
I'm insulted. You should go ahead and bounce so hard till your knees hit your forehead.
So now I'm at my desk, and at my desk I just have this red Hello Kitty pillow that was from my nanny, a portrait of me, but I replaced it for privacy reasons, a mirror light, a lamp, and a material holder. And on top of my desk I have a bullet journal and my notebook for video ideas, and the desk is from IKEA. Moving from my window, you will see my nightstand, and on my nightstand I have a fake potted plant, my little bunny rabbit from my mom, my humidifier, which actually plays white noises, just a bunch of them. Also, it has lights, which is really cool for like when you're reading a book or whatever, and it's also my alarm clock. It's really nice, especially for sleeping, and you can also adjust the light settings. I also have a calendar, a little Tsum Tsum plushie, whatever, and a candle that actually doesn't smell good at all. And I know the candle's not up to date. And I also have this little vintage TV sitting there so I can play some DVDs, and this little glass light thing from my mom. And next I have my drawer, which I just keep little knickknacks and things that I just don't have any place in my room to put it in. And underneath I have my book, little mini library where I just put in books and little notebooks and pictures of me and my family. Moving along is my favorite part of the room, which is my bed. On my bed, I sleep obviously, and on my bed I have this little penguin plushie which is from Miniso, and this Lilo and Stitch Tsum Tsum which is from the Disney store. Next I have my fairy lights, and my fairy lights are from IKEA. So on the side of my cupboard I have a whiteboard for writing my daily tasks, and on the cupboard I just keep my backpack and just some knickknacks and sheets. Next I have my bathroom, and I'm really happy to have my own bathroom because I used to share a bathroom with my two sisters in my old house, so I'm really happy now that I have this space. But now sometimes when guests come over, I will share my bathroom with them. And it's just a regular bathroom, a shower, a sink, and a toilet. And yeah, and the door that leads out to the bathroom is the hallway. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and comment down below if you guys want some more videos like these, and I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye!